Bon Pasco, Feliz Navidad, and Happy Holidays. No matter how you say it, we should all celebrate this season joyously. On behalf of everyone on 15 on 15, we want to wish you happiness, health, success, and peace.
Today on 15 on 15.
In celebration of Christmas Eve, 15 on 15 is dedicating the show to ATV's past holiday jingles. No matter how you celebrate the holidays, the message should always be the same. It is a season for giving. ATV wants to wish all our viewers a very special celebration.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us, and welcome to the Christmas Eve edition of 15 on 15. In celebration of the holiday season, we want to share with you how ATV has celebrated with our viewers, you, since the day we opened. Our station is known for our Christmas jingle year after year around this time. For this year, we decided to shine the spotlight once again on the past productions. Plenty of heart, soul, creativity, and talent went into each and every one of these Christmas jingles. So take a look at one now.
Sendero di felicidad. Ella brilla, luce camina, va un milenio di prosperidad. Pueblo de Aruba.
Venturo da arriba, nos isla.
De más grande y profundo deseo y por su canal ATV.
Estrella mía, guía las islas, vive sendero de felicidad. Estrella mía, luz de la vida, para un milenio de prosperidad. Estrella mía, guía las islas, vive sendero de felicidad. Estrella mía, luz de la vida, para un milenio de prosperidad.
via famiglia di ATV.
On that note, we will be right back. Stay with us.
Check out more of our jingles coming up next.
Welcome back from the break. If you are just joining us now, you are tuning into 15 on 15's Christmas Eve edition, where we show you some of ATV's jingles with the most powerful messages. Here's another one now. Let's take a quick break. This is what's coming up next for you.
Don't go anywhere. More holiday cheer when we come back.
During this holiday season, remember to be kind to one another and recognize that spending time with friends and family is precious. It is the season to be generous. In celebration of this joyous season, we want to do a blast from the past. Once a new year begins, before you know it, it is already the holidays. So let's treasure some of the musical productions ATV has put on in the past years to wish viewers all the best for this season.
duši pasko, ki duši pasko, ki duši pasko, tímpanos, con mi burrito sabanero voy camino de Belén. Si me ven, voy camino de Belén. Si me ven, voy camino de Belén. Old toy trains, little toy trucks, coming from a sack, carried by a man, dressed in white and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time you were in bed? Klink, klink, klok, yes, kling-a-ling-a-ling. Klink, klink, klok, yes, klink. To the boodschap horen, Jezus is geboren. Voor die brede klanken willen wij gaan danken. Klink, klink, klok, yes, kling-a-ling-a-ling. Klink, klink, klok, yes, klink.
On behalf of all of us here at ATV, we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas or Happy Hanukkah or however else you celebrate the holidays. Feliz Navidad y Bon Pasco. No matter how we say it or how we celebrate it, let's make this holiday season the best one yet, filled with love and happiness. Happy holidays, everybody.